Shalom, this is Yehudit Goldfarb from Tzfat. I want to share with you the movements for the 37th day of the 40 days of challenge and centering between the 19th of Tammuz and the 29th of Av. So we're almost at the end of the 4 cycles of 10 sefirot. First we went up from Malchut to Keter with the Yud of the divine name Adonai. Then we went down from Keter to Malchut with the Nun, down to the 20th day, which was Tisha B'Av. Then we went up for another 10 days from Malchut to Keter with the Dalet, going through 4 or 5 different variations of the Dalet, Otiyot Hayyot form, 1 for each level of soul. And now we're coming down from Keter to Malchut, and we're at the 7th sefirot down from the top, which is Netzach. So we're having Netzach combined with the Alef of Adonai. So Netzach has to do with perseverance, endurance, a sense of seeing our place in the eternal pattern, what our particular purpose is in our life, and being able to manifest that as best we can with all the challenges and with techniques of centering to keep on target. So let's start with the Alef. So we have an Alef to the right, and we can do a swivel and an Alef to the left. Now you can do a full close each time, or you can go back and forth. I think I'm going to do a close this time, starting on my left with Keter. Keter's crossover letter, so I'll go left with the Alef and right for the Netzach. Netzach is the Chirik, which is a single dot in front of you, bringing it down, E, bending slightly forward with a straight back, E, coming around, E, E. Okay, and the colors for Netzach and the rainbow are yellow, so I'm wearing yellow. I'm also doing some blues and purples in the scarf, and then necklace is blue and yellow. Purple and blue is the pathway of the Alef in the rainbow system between Hesed, which is purple, and Gevurah, which is blue in that system. So let's start to the left with Alef, coming back and going to the right for Netzach, the Chirik, E. Then for Chokmah, I'm going to do a double to the right, an Alef, and close, and then the Chirik, E. And then to the left for Bina, and again to the left, E. The right for Hesed, E. Left for Gevurah, E. I'm going to start on the right for Tiferet and move over to the left because Tiferet's in the middle column. E. Back to the right for Netzach. E. And left for Hod. E. And cross over with Yesod starting right. E. Crossing over from Malchut starting left. being aware Hashem breathing me. Hashem breathes me. I receive Hashem's breath, and therefore I'm alive. So as I'm doing this, feeling the energy going all the way down from Keter, all the way through my body, to my feet, down through the balcony here, to the earth below. Knees slightly bent, hanging from a string, finding my center, groundedness, sovereignty. And I bless us on this 37th day, the day of Netzach, within the 40 days of challenge and centering, is that we have a clear vision of our purpose, of why we're here, and how we can best manifest our mission in life within the context of who we are, where we are, what our relationships are, and all that. That the perseverance in our sense of intentional purpose in life be strong and sustain every challenge in the best possible way. Many blessings to you.